Welcome. What's going on, guys? Lucas here, giving you an update on the Rovi Dashcam 3017. Yeah, so I had the Rovi Dashcam for about 2.5 weeks now, 3 weeks, let's say. And I got some pros and cons to it. I use it every single day. It's a great camera. Only issue is that it records about 8 to 10 hours, then it starts to loop record. So if you're ever away from the car more than 24 hours, you won't even see what happened 24 hours prior to that. 32 gig SD card is the problem. That if anything bigger than that, it doesn't read. So 10 hours of record time. Other than that, great clear camera. 180 rotation in the front. Dash and everything else in the front, you can see it, you can hear it, everything is great. But pretty much the con would be the time lapse, how long it takes, how long does it record for on the memory card itself. Another pro to the camera is the sleek design, right? So this is the box, obviously the camera's in the car at the moment, right? Very small camera, people can't really see it. It goes right under my rear view mirror. Another pro to the camera would be the G-Sense detection. So basically, if somebody's around your car, or if somebody's parking the car, any type of video movement or sound, it automatically starts recording. So most of the time, it starts recording 2 seconds before I get in the car. You'll see a clip in a second. The sleek design is great. I put it right behind my rear view mirror. It sees me, it sees the front. I don't really notice that it's there most of the time. And just your everyday drive is a pro to have it just in case something happens. That's really what it's there for. If you want to take out some clips, the con is that you have to take out the memory card, or you have to take it out of the car and then install the USB to the computer. And the files are kind of big, so at 32 gigs a day, it takes up a lot of space. Just so you know, good for prevention. A very basic dash cam. Okay, real quick, so this is a just-in-case camera. The reason why I label it a just-in-case camera is because it's a very simple camera that you can't really control a lot of features on it. It's more or less, it's recording by itself. Hopefully you caught it. You gotta make sure that the angle is right and do a lot of preparation prior. 3 megapixel camera. I have it on the lowest resolution, like 640 or 720, just because, like I said, the gigs are, it's very big when you install it to the computer or transfer it to the computer, and then having to put it on YouTube and things like that is even harder. Yeah, it also turns off for like 5 seconds after it starts recording, so that's a good feature. Just when you're driving, you don't have a big light in your face, or even for the people that's in the car doesn't really know it's recording. It just turns on, starts recording, and then 3 or 4 seconds later, turns right off. And then it doesn't have night vision. That is a bad con. It doesn't have night vision. It's decent enough where it works, so you can see what's happening. And I'm pretty sure when the light, when things that do happen, the light hits it, it's gonna be easy to see what happens. But not having night vision is kind of like, it's kind of a blow, just because you can't really see everything. If it would have been that much better, it would have got 5 stars. But right now, probably 3 stars as far as the dash cam, a basic dash cam.